If you want to change icon size on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, all you have to do is go to Settings. Next we're gonna choose Wallpaper and Style, and then over here we want to switch to the home screen, and we want to reveal these options in order to go to Layout. In order to make apps bigger or smaller, we can change the grid size. So we can switch, for example, to Large, that allows you to use 3 apps in a single row, or even XL if you want to use just 2 apps in the same row. As you can see, they are much bigger by doing so, but also we can set it to small so that we have more space for apps on a single home screen page. And if you made any of these changes, then you want to press apply in the top right corner. However, in addition to that, what you can also do is so you can change the display size, which also has an impact on the icon size. So if we go to display and touch in settings, then over here you should be able to find the display size and text in here. And over here, as you can see, if we change the size of the display, it also changes the size of app icons. Among other things, it actually changes the size of everything. So it's not like we can only change the icon size in here, but like I said, it also has the impact on that. And there is one more thing that we can do, more precisely if we go to accessibility, then over here we have the simple view, which also makes our apps a little bit bigger. So it increases the text size and the icon size. It also simplifies the layout a little bit and adds navigation buttons if you did not use them before. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to, you can use that feature as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.